Hey guys, today we will be making kebab. Firstly, we're going to take some green onions and cut some into pieces. Then we put it in a bowl. And then we take the rest and cut them all up. Next, we put the greens into the blender. Next, we're going to take some red onions and cut them into pieces as well. Then you want to take 4 peppers and cut them into pieces. And then you put them all into the blender. Next, you take out your minced meat from the fridge. The minced meat has to be cold so it won't fall off the stick. Now we are going to add the greens. You also need to add a bit of salt. Now we're going to mix it really well. And add some flour. And mix it all up. Then you're going to get some sticks and mold the meat onto it. After all that, you put it in the oven. After 20 minutes, you flip all of them. After 10 minutes, they're ready to eat. And then, as you can see, here is my brother eating.